In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headings in Google Sites. If you're looking to structure your website content more effectively, then adding headings is a crucial step. Headings not only help break up the text, making it easier for your visitors to read, but they also improve the overall organization of your site. Plus, they're key for search engine optimization. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to have your Google Sites page open where you plan to add the heading. Start by clicking on the text box where you want to insert your new heading. This text box is where you typically add content, but here we're going to change its format a bit. Its default state is normal text, which is suitable for regular paragraphs, but for headings we'll need to make an adjustment. Once you've clicked into the text box, your next step is to change the text format. Above your text box, you should see a small drop-down menu labeled Normal Text. This is where you can select different text styles. Click on this menu and it will reveal a list of available formats, including options like title, heading, and subheading. For now, select the heading option from the list. This will instantly change the appearance of your text, making it larger and bolder, thus setting it apart from your normal body text. It's important to note that choosing the correct heading type can also impact how search engines index your page, so be sure to select the heading style that best fits the content hierarchy of your page. Now that you've set your text to heading, it's time to get creative and type your heading. Think about the content of the section your heading will precede and ensure your heading conveys a good overview or keyword to capture the main idea. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully added a heading in Google Sites. It's a straightforward process, but makes a significant difference in how your content is presented and consumed. Remember, using headings isn't just about aesthetics. It's a powerful tool in web design that enhances user experience by making your site more navigable and engaging. So next time you're crafting or revising your site's content, consider how headings can play a part. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of Google Sites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.